Om Namah Shivaya. Here was in first time in the world, very perfect Lord Shiva Parvati, Onmukhi round Nepal Uttaraksha. First time in the world. So you can see clearly one line, very clearly one line. No any other line. Very clearly one line, and you can see clear image of Goddess Parvati dancing. Clear image of Goddess Parvati dancing. Clearly only one line. Is a top view and bottom view and central clear hole, clearly one line, and you can see the miracle inside only one compartment but two seat Shiva Parvati, two seat inside. Definitely amazing Uttaraksha. Only one line outside and only one compartment inside and two seat Shiva Parvati inside. Totally amazing Uttaraksha. Only one piece in the world. Totally amazing. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.